FoodPics AI is here, and if you're someone who's into food photography or even food blogging, you're about to discover a game changer. But before you get too excited, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software before diving in. Stick around because I'll be covering the ins and outs that can help you decide whether FoodPics AI is the right tool for you. Let me give you a quick heads up. You can try FoodPics AI for free by checking out the first link below. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. FoodPics AI is designed to help you create stunning food photos instantly with the power of AI. Whether you're running a food blog, managing a restaurant's social media, or just want your food photos to pop on Instagram, this software makes it easier than ever to get professional-looking images without the hassle of complex editing tools. One of the first things you'll notice is the software's user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a photographer or graphic designer to use FoodPics AI. It's simple to navigate, with a straightforward workflow that guides you from uploading a photo to making adjustments, all the way to finalizing the look. No steep learning curve here, just point, click, and let the AI do its magic. Next, let's talk about the editing features. FoodPics AI doesn't just apply filters, it actually enhances the details in your images. The AI analyzes the food's colors, textures, and lighting, adjusting each component so that the final result looks mouth-watering. If you're someone who's spent hours tweaking photos manually, FoodPics AI will save you a lot of time and frustration. But what about customization? This is where it stands out. You can tweak the AI-generated results by adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and other key elements. It gives you the flexibility to maintain control over your photos while still benefiting from the AI's heavy lifting. Another thing I love about FoodPics AI is the instant photo background removal. No more tedious editing to remove distractions from your food photos. The AI detects and eliminates unwanted backgrounds, leaving you with a clean, polished image. Whether you're placing your dish against a neutral backdrop or something more creative, FoodPics AI makes it super easy to get that professional look. If you're worried about it not being able to handle different types of food, don't be. This AI is specifically trained on food photography, so it knows how to deal with a wide range of dishes. From complex gourmet meals to simple snacks, FoodPics AI adjusts perfectly, ensuring that every dish looks its best, and it does all this in seconds. Now let's talk pricing. Although FoodPics AI is new, it's already offering a solid deal with its free trial, but after the trial, if you choose to continue, the pricing is surprisingly affordable, especially when you compare it to hiring a professional photographer or using other editing software. Considering the time and effort it saves you, it's a smart investment if you regularly need high-quality food photos. Lastly, and this is key, if you're someone who loves exploring AI tools like I do, you're going to find that FoodPics AI is one of the best ones out there. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this one truly stands out in the food photography space. The combination of ease of use, customization, and speed makes it a must-have for anyone serious about food visuals. So, there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about FoodPics AI. If you want to give it a try, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description below. And if you're looking for more AI software recommendations, I've listed my top picks below. Tools I've tried myself and trust to boost your productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try FoodPics AI. It might just be the tool you didn't know you needed.